Stop your leg pain now. Top 5 herbs for perfect leg circulation. Vitality solutions. Leg pain and poor circulation are issues that affect millions of people worldwide, often leading to discomfort, limited mobility, and a reduced quality of life. Whether it's the result of prolonged sitting, standing, or underlying health conditions, poor circulation can cause your legs to feel heavy, achy, and swollen. Over time, these symptoms can escalate, leading to more serious complications such as varicose veins, blood clots, and even chronic venous insufficiency. Imagine the frustration of a person like Joseph, a 55-year-old office worker who has spent most of his life at a desk job. Over the years, he began to notice a nagging pain in his legs that seemed to worsen by the day. What started as a mild discomfort after long days at work soon became a constant throbbing pain that made it difficult for him to enjoy his favorite activities, like evening walks or playing with his grandchildren. Despite trying over-the-counter pain relievers and compression stockings, the relief was only temporary. Joseph, like many others, was searching for a more natural, lasting solution to his leg pain. This is where the power of nature comes in. For centuries, people across the globe have turned to herbal remedies to address various health concerns, including poor circulation and leg pain. These natural solutions, backed by modern scientific research, offer an effective and holistic approach to improving blood flow and reducing discomfort without the side effects often associated with conventional medications. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 herbs that can help you achieve perfect leg circulation and say goodbye to leg pain. These herbs have been used in traditional medicine for generations. Today, they're gaining recognition in the scientific community for their potent abilities to enhance blood flow, reduce inflammation, and protect your vascular system. By incorporating these herbs into your daily routine, you can take a proactive step towards healthier, pain-free legs and a more active, vibrant life. So whether you're dealing with chronic leg pain or simply looking to improve your overall circulation, stay tuned as we dive into the incredible benefits of these powerful herbs. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content that supports your health journey. Let's get started. Number 1. Ginger. Ginger contains bioactive compounds like gingerol and shogol, which are responsible for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These compounds work by inhibiting the production of inflammatory cytokines and enzymes that contribute to pain and swelling. When inflammation is reduced, blood vessels are less likely to become constricted, allowing for better blood flow to the legs and other extremities. In addition to its anti-inflammatory effects, ginger also acts as a vasodilator, meaning it helps to widen blood vessels and improve circulation. Improved blood flow is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to the muscles and tissues in your legs, which can help to reduce pain and prevent issues like cramps, varicose veins, and even blood clots. Research published in the International Journal of Cardiology highlights ginger's ability to improve circulation by preventing platelet aggregation, which is the clumping together of blood cells that can lead to clot formation. This is crucial for maintaining healthy blood flow, especially in the legs, where poor circulation can lead to serious complications. How to incorporate ginger into your routine. Boil fresh ginger slices in water for 10 minutes, strain, and enjoy a warm cup of ginger tea. Drinking this daily can help reduce inflammation and improve blood flow. Ginger supplements are available in capsule form for those who prefer a more concentrated dose. Be sure to consult with a healthcare provider to determine the right dosage for you. You can equally add fresh or powdered ginger to your meals. It pairs well with soups, stir-fries, and even smoothies. Number 3. Cinnamon. Cinnamon's ability to boost circulation is primarily attributed to its potent anti-inflammatory and vasodilatory properties. Vasodilation refers to the widening of blood vessels, which allows for smoother and more efficient blood flow throughout the body, including the legs. Improved circulation is crucial for delivering oxygen and nutrients to tissues and organs, and it helps in flushing out waste products that can accumulate and cause pain or discomfort. One of the key compounds in cinnamon responsible for these effects is cinnamaldehyde. This active ingredient has been shown to enhance nitric oxide production in the body, a molecule that plays a vital role in blood vessel dilation. Increased nitric oxide levels lead to more relaxed and expanded blood vessels, reducing resistance and promoting better circulation, particularly in the extremities where blood flow can often be compromised. In addition to its circulatory benefits, cinnamon is also a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to poor circulation and leg pain, as it can lead to the narrowing and stiffening of blood vessels. By reducing inflammation, cinnamon helps maintain the flexibility and health of blood vessels, allowing for better blood flow. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that regular consumption of cinnamon helped reduce blood pressure in participants, further contributing to improved circulation. High blood pressure is a common cause of restricted blood flow, and by lowering it, cinnamon helps ensure that blood can travel more freely through the arteries and veins, reaching the legs and other extremities more effectively. This is how to incorporate cinnamon into your routine boil: a cinnamon stick, or add ground cinnamon to hot water, letting it steep for 10 minutes before drinking. This warm, comforting tea can help stimulate blood flow and provide relief from leg pain. For a more concentrated dose, consider taking cinnamon supplements. These are available in capsule form and can be an easy way to ensure you're getting enough of this beneficial spice. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. Sprinkle it on oatmeal, add it to smoothies, or incorporate it into savory dishes like curries and stews for a flavorful boost that also supports circulation. Number 4. Plantain. Plantain, often overshadowed by its cousin the banana, is a remarkable fruit that carries a wealth of health benefits, particularly when it comes to vascular health and improving circulation. The vascular system, which includes arteries, veins, and capillaries, is crucial for maintaining healthy blood flow throughout the body. When the vascular system is compromised, whether due to inflammation, plaque buildup, or other issues, blood flow can be restricted, leading to pain, discomfort, and even more serious health conditions like deep vein thrombosis, DVT, or peripheral artery disease, PAD. Plantain's protective properties help to maintain the integrity and function of the vascular system, ensuring that blood circulates efficiently, especially to the extremities. Plantain is rich in potassium, a mineral that plays a vital role in regulating blood pressure and maintaining cardiovascular health. Potassium helps balance sodium levels in the body, which is essential for preventing hypertension, a leading cause of vascular damage. By helping to keep blood pressure in check, plantain indirectly supports the health of your blood vessels, reducing the risk of damage and promoting better circulation. The antioxidants found in plantain, particularly vitamin C and various polyphenols, help protect the vascular system from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when there's an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body, leading to cell damage and inflammation. By neutralizing free radicals, plantain helps preserve the health of blood vessels, reducing the risk of blockages and improving overall circulation. Plantain is also packed with bioactive compounds that offer potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Chronic inflammation is a significant factor in the development of vascular problems, as it can lead to the hardening and narrowing of arteries, a condition known as atherosclerosis. By reducing inflammation, plantain helps to keep the blood vessels flexible and open, facilitating smoother blood flow to the legs and other parts of the body. Number 5. Dong quai. Dong quai works wonders for blood flow due to its ability to widen blood vessels and stimulate blood circulation. This is particularly beneficial for individuals suffering from poor circulation, which often manifests as cold extremities, leg cramps, and even more severe conditions like deep vein thrombosis, DVT. By promoting better blood flow, Dong quai helps ensure that oxygen and essential nutrients reach the tissues in the legs, reducing pain and discomfort. One of the key active compounds in Dong quai is ferulic acid, an antioxidant that plays a crucial role in the herb's circulatory benefits. Ferulic acid helps to prevent blood clots by inhibiting platelet aggregation, which is the clumping together of platelets in the blood. This action is vital in preventing conditions like thrombosis, where blood clots form in blood vessels and restrict blood flow. By reducing the risk of clot formation, Dong quai helps maintain smooth and uninterrupted blood circulation throughout the body, including the legs. Dong quai also contains coumarins, which are natural compounds known for their blood-thinning and vasodilatory effects. Vasodilation refers to the widening of blood vessels, which in turn reduces blood pressure and improves the flow of blood to the extremities. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with conditions like peripheral artery disease, PAD, or chronic venous insufficiency, CVI, where restricted blood flow to the legs can cause pain and swelling. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology highlighted dong quai's ability to increase blood flow and reduce the risk of clot formation. The researchers found that dong quai's ferulic acid content was particularly effective in preventing platelet aggregation, thus lowering the risk of thrombosis and improving overall circulation. How to incorporate dong quai into your routine. One of the simplest ways to consume dong quai is by brewing it as a tea. You can find dong quai tea bags or use dried dong quai root to make a soothing and health-boosting beverage. Drinking this tea regularly can help improve your blood flow and alleviate leg pain. For those who prefer a more concentrated form, dong quai supplements are widely available in capsule or tablet form. These supplements can be taken daily as part of your health regimen, providing you with a consistent dose of the herb's beneficial compounds. A tincture is a liquid extract of an herb, and dong quai tincture is a convenient way to consume the herb. You can add a few drops to water, tea, or juice for an easy and effective way to enhance your circulation. In our journey through the top herbs for enhancing leg circulation, ginger, artichoke, cinnamon, plantain, and dong quai, we've uncovered the remarkable power of nature to support our vascular health. These herbs, each with its unique properties and backed by scientific research, offer a holistic and natural approach to improving blood flow, reducing inflammation, and alleviating leg pain. Incorporating these herbs into your daily routine, whether through teas, supplements, or other forms, can have a profound impact on your leg circulation and overall well-being. The beauty of these natural remedies lies in their versatility and ease of use. Whether you're sipping on a warm cup of ginger tea, adding cinnamon to your meals, or taking a dong quai supplement, you're giving your body the tools it needs to thrive. But remember, while these herbs are powerful allies in promoting circulation and reducing leg pain, they are most effective when used as part of a comprehensive approach to health. This includes maintaining a balanced diet, staying active, and consulting with a healthcare professional, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. It's important to recognize that the path to better circulation and pain-free legs doesn't have to be filled with synthetic medications or invasive procedures. Nature has provided us with a wealth of resources, and these 5 herbs stand out as some of the best for supporting vascular health naturally. By making small, consistent changes to your daily routine, you can harness the power of these herbs to improve your circulation, reduce leg pain, and enhance your overall quality of life. So, why not take that first step today? Explore the benefits of these herbs, incorporate them into your lifestyle, and experience the difference they can make. Your legs and your health will thank you. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more natural health solutions. Let's continue on this journey to vitality and well-being together.